Dear students, good morning. This is your professor Omar Khan, and today I will direct you through our course on Schoology, Enhancing Customer Service Skills, section 101. This course includes on the home page course housekeeping, orientation, 5 sessions, session 1 to 5, which is divided 1 session per week, and then comes the summative assessment, which includes a final assessment based on the entire course. The orientation page includes topics such as the discussion forum, a survey to be taken before the start of the first session, and a survey or a feedback which needs to be provided at the end of the 5th session. The 5 tabs over here includes information such as, I'll just take you through one session because each session is gonna be of the same format. Overview of the session page, and session 1 discussion. If you go through the session page, we have some important readings and videos to explore over here. In each session, there will be an article to read upon, a video to watch, and a topic to discuss on, and an activity which is nothing but an assessment which you will need to take. Discussion forum and the activity session is your scoring points in each session. Coming back to the home page of the course, on the left hand side you will be seeing a few tabs. You won't be seeing all the tabs because the student view will be a bit different, but you will be having this tab, the grade book, and you may see your final scores or your discussion scores, assessment scores in this tab. And on the upcoming session, on the upcoming tab, you will know what's gonna be your next topic to do. It could be a discussion, it could be an assessment, and what you will need to provide or to do. So this is basically your home page of the course, and I wish you all the best in achieving success in this course. Thank you all and have a good day.